Hey guys, what's up? So today is the day I've been putting off for a while. I'm going to try to refurbish the inside of this petrol tank for my 1990 RD350 F2. I have prepared, I bought from Amazon some power tank. It's an Italian red petrol tank coating. When I bought the bike, the guy told me that the petrol tank had been coated about a year ago. It does seem to have been coated, but the coating seems to really only be of any use on the bottom. And so the humidity builds up in the top, right? The moisture rises up, it settles on the top, and I can see that there's rust flakes on the top part of this. So I'm going to focus on that and try to make a really good job of it. I have watched a couple of other YouTube videos, and I remember some things I saw on Wheeler Dealers and on Ed China's mechanic channel and so forth. I'm going to try to first use the cleaning product which they provide, which is this something similar to phosphoric acid, I think. Put that in the tank, and I'm going to put some washers in there because I know as well that there is quite a lot of rust at the top and it might be difficult to get it off otherwise. In addition to that, I found online, it's quite cool, this it's for plugging a pipe in the winter, I think, a house domestic pipe, but it's a kind of adjustable stop, so you stick it on there and it seems to fit really well in the tank of my RD. I yesterday water tested it and it didn't seem to leak, so I'm hoping obviously with a tank like this the paintwork is really nice. I don't really want any of the acid to damage the paintwork, so that's why I've been putting this job off a little bit. I need to be quite careful. It's original paint, full original bike. Really lovely condition, quite unbelievable actually. Some of you might have seen me ranting on about it earlier. Anyway, so that's what I'm up to today. I'll keep you posted. Cheers guys, take care.